What will you gain with the quick read course? You'll use more of your brain power. Your memory will improve. You'll start reading more. You'll save time for your life. Productivity will be your new superpower. You'll experience less eye strain. There will be at least a 3 times increase in your reading speed. You'll be able to learn simply and in a serial way. It will increase the rate of understanding of what you read. You'll use your time more efficiently. You will overcome your fear of slow reading. You will notice that your self-confidence increases. By understanding, you will increase your overall cultural accumulation depending on fast read. Reading will become more fun for you. More active and serial notifications will go to your brain when reading. Your success rate will increase. Your time problem will disappear in the exams. Your attention and concentration will increase. You will gain the ability to assimilate and evaluate what is read. You'll be able to keep up to date faster.